Hello friends, welcome back. So in today's lecture, we'll be forwarding our course with the second option of GST, that how we can set the GST at stock group level. I hope you are clear with how we can set GST at company level. So in this lecture, we'll be understanding how we can set GST at stock group level and post the entries thereafter. So for that, first of all, you need to create a group, stock group under inventory masters. For that, click here or for stock group. Now I am giving here outdoor games as the name. Under primary group, should quantities of item be added? Yes, obviously I must add the quantity of items in my group, stock group. Now here is the main change, that is you have to set or alter GST details from here. Press here yes or enter yes here. Now define the taxability, that is this group, the items that belongs to this group will be exempted, nil rated or taxable. So I am choosing here taxable. Now define here the rate. I am giving here 24%. I am taking cess as 0% and accept the screen. Now one more I am making is indoor games as a group under primary. Now quantities will be added, set or alter GST details. Now I'm taking this as taxable group and defining here 18% as integrated tax rate. Is this clear? Now, as you know, after creating the stock groups, you need to create stock items as well. And before stock items, what you need? You need to create units also. So I am creating here units as pieces, and I'm giving here my quantity code as pieces over here, PCS, and number of decimal places will be 0. All right, now I have created my units, my stock groups. Now we must create our stock item. For stock item, I'm taking here first of all badminton. As you know, badminton comes under the outdoor games, and we'll calculate this item in number of pieces. Is GST applicable? Yes, but we will not set or alter GST details over here. Now, take type of supply of goods is go under goods, not services. See, we are not altering the GST details over here, but as we had defined the GST details in the stock group, under the stock group, so it will automatically connect the stock item with that percentage tax rate. So I am accepting the screen. I am not giving here the rate of duty or anything, and accepted. Now I am creating the another one is tennis. So tennis is an indoor game. I am taking is an indoor, take as pieces, applicable. GST is applicable, but we will not alter the GST details. Take type of supply as goods. We will not specify the rate of duty and accept the screen. Now Ludo or chess, I can say, is under the indoor games, you know, basis. Again, the same, I'm accepting the screen. I'm just creating the stock items. I can create here the cricket set under not primary, it's outdoor game, number of pieces, and then accept the screen. So now hereby we are done with creating our stock items and creating stock groups, setting the rates, altering them, and all the things. Now the main thing that we had to done is the purchase voucher. See, let's suppose our company had purchased some of the games from some company, and how we will post the entries and how it will automatically pick up the tax rate. So for that, what I'll do, first of all, in F11 features, I'll go to taxation and enable GST. Yes. And here, what you have to do, select set or alter details to no over here. All right. So when you select here no, then it will not pick up the rate that you had given. Or you can do 0 over here, but this will get set at company level. So select here no and accept the screen. Is this clear? Controlling. Now let's start with passing our purchase voucher. Press F9. Now give here the supplier number, the invoice date. I'm changing the invoice date to 1st August 2020 so that we can see our details, our reports as well. I'm changing the date over here, my current date 182020 by F2. So it's 1st August. Party name I am taking as ABC Private Limited, the same one. Receipt note is not applicable. As you know, we had not created any purchase order for this. Accept all the details. Now select here purchase account. Select the name of the item. Let's say I am selecting here badmintons, and tracking number is not applicable. Quantity I am adding 100 numbers at the rate of 57 each. All right. So now this is how you can select the badminton details. Now I am selecting here the cricket set. Tracking number is not applicable. Again, give the quantity. Now rate I am giving 58 and accept it. Now the next we have is our Ludo. I am giving here again the quantity in pieces. Now I'm giving here the rate and then accept it. Now the next is we have tennis, and again I am giving here 42 pieces at the rate of 169 per piece and accept the screen. Now is this clear? Now if you remember, we had set our GST at stock group level. We had not selected, we had not configured our GST at company level. So now let's see, is GST will be calculated or not. If it is calculated, then we had done our correct configurations. We had edited each and everything correctly. Otherwise, there's something wrong. So ABC Limited was our local customer. So local company. So here we'll take CGST. Now you can see the tax is reflecting, and under SGST you can see taxes again reflecting. So this shows that you had done the correct configurations and you had done each and everything correctly. Done. Now enter and accept the screen. Is it done? Similar way, in the same way, you can post the entries related to sales under the stock group configuration, stock group GST level. Is this clear? I'm showing you one of the voucher related to sales as well. We'll take here BBE Private Limited. Now for BBE Private Limited, I'm selecting the details. Here you can take badminton and 20 pieces, let's suppose, and I'm selling it in 70 rupees per piece. Then after that, I'm taking here my cricket set. Cricket set, I'm selling 10 pieces at 900 rupees per piece. Now the next I have is my Ludo or chess. I am selling 34 pieces at the rate 56 per piece. And then last but not the least, I have tennis. Now this is not applicable. Now tennis, I am selling let's say 7 pieces at the rate 890 per piece and accept the screen. Now you will take CGST. Wrong. What will be there? The IGST, because this is our party related to interstate. Okay, intrastate. That is another one, another state. Now press enter and accept the screen. Now if I go back to my reports, go to display more reports. Now you can see here GST reports, GSTR 2, and if I change the period from 1st August 2020 till 31st March 2021, then it will show me, it will reflect all the B2B invoices that are reflected by ABC Private Limited that we had posted the entry right now. Is this clear? Now, one more thing with that I want to tell you is about your stock summary as well. If I go to stock summary, now you can see here your closing balances are shown for indoor games as well as your outdoor games. Is this clear? Is this clear to you? I hope this is clear to you, and really it's very interesting and very profitable to know how we can set the rate of tax at stock group level as well. So I hope you are clear with both the options. In the next lecture, we will continue with the GST rate setting at stock item level. Till then, enjoy and take care.